From team logos to modern business designs, you can find an awesome selection of cool logo templates from both Envato Elements and Placeit. I'm Abby Esparza with Envato Tuts Plus, and let's take a look at the top 10 coolest minimalist logo designs to customize. The deer is a symbol of intuition as the protector of all living things in the forest. So incorporate this powerful design into your brand identity with this gorgeous deer logo. This download features 4 great designs, including a brilliant outline and filled option. Help your clients reach their dreams with this stunning luxury travel logo maker. Designed for a startup agency and small business, this logo is sleek and sophisticated. Make sure to add your favorite tagline. Abstract symbols are great shapes for logos, so why not choose this beautifully minimalist geometric shape for your business? It's incredibly easy to customize thanks to its layered PSD file. Create the next blazing pizza restaurant with this easy-to-use logo maker. No matter which part of the food industry you're targeting, you can easily update this look with a different food item or color scheme. Beautifully silky gradients are a huge trend in logo design. If a colorful look is more your style, then check out this creative design logo. Great for designers and more, this logo includes a vector file that is ready to use. Are you a clothing designer for kids apparel? Then check out this adorable petite elephant logo maker with a cute thumbprint design. Choose from additional animal characters to customize this look for your brand or business. Enjoy this beautiful yet cute minimalist style. Another great option for logos is this unique geometric style. The ARC Studio logo emphasized the letter A in ARC by turning it into an abstract geometric letter. Use the simple outline or filled versions also included for more stunning looks. Authors around the world are looking for your help to publish their books, so create the next publishing company with this phenomenal published logo maker. Add a beautiful color scheme to your logo with this creative Spearmedia template. Featuring a modern design with cool gradient colors, this logo will definitely make you stand out from the competition. Our last logo in this collection is this cleverly designed D-letter logo. Design Fast is an impeccable logo template that makes the most out of negative space concepts. If you like this video and would like to see more, consider giving us a like and even subscribing if you haven't already. And don't forget to click the little bell icon to be notified of all new videos, including tips, tricks, and tutorials.